Hello there, my crafties family. Welcome back again to my little crochet corner. Today we are going to make a cute ballerina mouse. I make one as a tester for myself. I'm actually make a few of them as a tester, and I'm not really how to say confidence on the a few 2 or 3 I made before this one, and for this one I'm feeling happy with the result I make, so I wanted to share with you. Today I will use the gray color again for the head, the hands, half of the body, not half, more than half of the legs, and I want to use the bright pink for the skirt and soft pink for the top of the body, or we can say this is the shirt. Okay, so to make this cute ballerina mouse, we are going to use 4.5 millimeter crochet hook. We gonna need, of course, safety pins, and then we will need the little bit glue, and also the 10 millimeter safety eyes. I'm using the one with glue. You can use the one with safety pins. And also we gonna need fiber fill. So this is the hat. You put your safety eyes in the round 8 and 9 with 4 stitches apart. Okay, so my legs is done, and this is the result. You just need to fasten off and cut the yarn. You don't need to leave a long tail because we're going to connect them later. And now please make another another one, I mean. So you're gonna have 2 legs, and please do not cut the yarn when you are done with the second leg, because we are going to connect them. Alright, please make another one. When you finish with the second leg, we are now going to connect it, but we will change the color to the soft pink or any color of your choices. We are going to change the color now by making two chain, 1, 2, and if your leg doesn't look proper or pointy to the front, you can put some extra single crochet here. Or if you're happy with your legs, second legs, you can just continue by making 2 chain and then connect it to your first leg. And also make sure that the first leg is in the right position, the same with the second one, pointy, and then make 1 single crochet like that. If your second or first leg is not in the end of your second or first leg is not in the right position, you can just take them off, take a few stitches off from it. I do take like 4 stitches. To this leg, it's not gonna be higher than the other one. Okay. Now you can make 7 single crochet around the first leg. Put this behind to make the yarn stay still. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 2 single crochet in the chain. 1, 2, and another 8 single crochet in the second leg. and we're gonna put another 2 single crochet in the chain in another side of the chain, and there you go. Then you cut this gray one, and now you have to put your stitch marker here. Before we change the color, because we don't want to change color in the middle, we're gonna make another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here we are going to change the color with the gray or whatever color you are for the main, whatever color you use for the main color. Mine is gray. Like this. So now we are in the side of the body, and we move our stitch marker here, and now we will start to decreasing. We're gonna shape the body now. So this is gonna be round 33. So we will decrease. Okay, let's make it nice first. Okay, 1 decrease. 1 decrease, and then make 6 single crochet, and this is 1, but after you save, you make the pink yarn is locked there under the gray. We are going to cut this. We don't use that now anymore, so we will continue. So this is our decrease, and this is our first single crochet. We're gonna make 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and another 1 decrease, and then make 8 single crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, I promise you it's gonna look cute when we attach the hand. And it's look funny now, but I promise you it will look cute. Okay, so before we attach the hand, we are going to make the ruffle dress first. We are using the dark pink, and we are gonna attach the ruffle dress at the round 19 of the body when you make the back loop only. It is here, and we are going to attach our yarn here. Oops. Oh my god. Okay, like that, and make 3 chain and make 3 triple crochet in the same stitch. Alright, this is 1. The first 3 chain is count as a first triple crochet, so we're gonna make another 1 in the same stitch. Alright, and please keep doing it. Make triple crochet in the same stitch.